What is composition? This question is very much important for the students who are pursuing art education. Basically, in the realm of all art forms like painting, sculpture, music, writing, or dance, the word composition is very much important. And composition is the core content which is being expressed by artists through a work of art, whether it's a dance, whether it's a music, whether it's a painting, whether it's a sculpture, whether it's a piece of writing. So today we'll try to understand the meaning of composition, as it is already expressed, composition. So to understand composition, first we try to understand the word compound. Basically in science there are elements. In chemistry, normally we all have studied chemistry, and we all know that there are elements like carbon, nitrogen, oxygens. So these are the basic elements in nature, with their combinations other materials formulated. And the second one is compound. So compound is basically a combination of two or more elements like CO2. So here C for carbon, carbon is an element, oxygen is an element. So one carbon, two oxygens create CO2, H2O. H2O, two hydrogen and one oxygen, it creates H2O. So H2O is a compound, we call it water, but H2O has a different quality, different properties. It is neither the hydrogen nor the oxygen. This is a compound. This is the combination of these two elements and having some different properties. Same way, if we try to understand a work of art, there is also a combination of two or more variables which decipher some different meaning than the basic meanings of the elements which are used in that particular compositions. Another very good example, if we take a language. So language, I think, is a better way to understand composition. If we for the sake of understanding, we can say that a word is an element. A word is an element, and with the combination of different words, we create phrases and clauses and sentences. So a sentence is a composition. Even word is a composition because it is the combination of different alphabets. A word is a combination of different alphabets, and a sentence or clause is a combination of different words, and a paragraph is a composition of different sentences, and a chapter is a combination of many paragraphs, and a book is a combination of many chapters. A book is a composition of many chapters, and a library is a composition of many books. So this way we can understand what is composition. In field of visual art, especially in painting and sculpture, we have visual vocabulary. We have the visual. Here the vocabulary, the words are not learned, they are universal. They are more natural. when we talk about art, especially painting, sculpture, the vocabulary is very much natural, like finger, face, eye, nose, tree, mountain, valley, river. These all are the visual words for which we have certain meanings. All colors, blue, red, yellow, we have certain meaning for them. The same way, when in a sentence a particular word and its placement changes the meaning and weightage of the sentence. The placement of any word and its context to other words changes the meaning of the sentence, the meaning of the phrase, the meaning of the clause. Same way in visual language, the placement of these all basic words like river, mountain, human, animal, plant. So these are the basic leaves, trees. These are the basic visual vocabulary which we experience in day-to-day life, and their placement in certain order and their modification and their placement, their combination to each other create a composition, create a combination of different visual elements. It deciphers some greater meaning, some greater message, some greater mode of interpersonal communication, some greater mode of passing the message, some greater mode of some expression, some beautiful, some statement of beauty. Same way in dance. In dance there are different gestures, postures, body poses. They are having certain meanings, and with the combination, with the different kind of variations, there is a script of dance, there is a script which follows certain script, certain kind of meanings. We decipher something innovative, something creative. So this is we just discussed about the vocabulary and its combination and its composition. We just studied about the elements and the compound. But in field of art, we importantly talk about creativity. The purpose of composition is creativity and innovation. So when the combination of certain elements express some deeper meanings of life, solve some deeper problems, suggest the solution for some deeper problems, or it contains the solution of our unconscious desires, unconscious needs, not only desires, needs, and it contributes in the process of evolution of humanity, in the process of evolution of the life in existence. We call it more creative and innovative compositions. So for now, I think it is sufficient. Thank you.